This is a question that we're having issues with yesterday in class. So with a little bit of research and some evidence, I've put this together, so hopefully this should help out. So number A, label each of the two boxes in the diagram A, B, C or D to identify the processes that take place in this location. A is filtration, B is water reabsorption, C is glucose reabsorption, and D is ADH. So here we can see that all of the filtration takes place at the Bowman's capsule. So it can't be that. So filtration takes place at the Bowman's capsule, so that one's out. Glucose reabsorption takes place back to the same side. We can see here that glucose reabsorption also takes place in the proximal tubule, which is far from where A, B, C and D are meant to be. So we can take out filtration and we can take out glucose reabsorption. So that leaves B and D. So the answer here is B and D. So which of the above processes A, B, C or D occurs due to active transport? So if we have a look at this summary slide here, it states that once the blood has been filtered, amino acids and glucose are reabsorbed by active transport. So active transport, so which one of these processes, A, B, C or D, is due to active transport? And it states that glucose reabsorption takes place through active transport, so the answer would be C. So looking at outline the effects of aldosterone on the control of body fluids, I asked this question earlier on in the year, and it was Monique who asked this answer here, which was absolutely fantastic. So that was a great answer there. So aldosterone is a steroid hormone secreted by the adrenal gland. Its function is to regulate the transfer of sodium and potassium ions in the kidney. When sodium levels are low, aldosterone is released into the blood, causing more sodium to pass from the nephron to the blood. Water then flows from the nephron into the blood by osmosis. I love this last sentence. The result is the homeostatic balance of blood pressure, so that's really good. Now, just to prove that these sort of questions aren't a one-off, here is something from another paper where we, yet again, it's the kidney, and we have to go through and identify the area where filtration occurs. We know that. You put the X there and shade the area where reabsorption occurs. Now, ADH and aldosterone, we know that ADH and aldosterone are the guys responsible for water regulation, so absorption takes place here. And then just for Taylor, because you asked that question before, discuss the importance of hormone replacement therapy for people who cannot secrete aldosterone. So I'm not sure if this here is something that we need to talk about. Thank you.